SlowCasting English, Episode 11, Simple Happiness.
What makes you feel happy?
Quiet moments.
Can you give an example?
Sitting by the window. Listening to rain.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes. No rush. No noise.
I feel happy when learning slowly.
Slow learning stays longer.
That's true.
Happiness doesn't need to be big.
Small happiness is enough.
Yes, very enough.
Introduction to this podcast. Finding happiness in simple moments. Two people discuss how happiness comes from quiet, peaceful moments like sitting by a window and listening to rain. They agree that slow learning and small joys are fulfilling, and happiness doesn't have to be something big to be meaningful.
See you next episode.